Welcome to the unboxing and review of Gigaware K550 mechanical keyboard. Inside the box is only the keyboard. It does not have a detachable wrist rest or keycap puller. I got the color blue, but this keyboard is also available in black, white, and pink. It is made out of plastic. The cable is 1.8 meters, USB type, not braided and non-removable, with magnetic ring, and it is placed at the center. At the back is the collapsible bracket next to the plastic grip, but below is a rubber grip. The keyboard layout is TKL. It only has 87 keys. It doesn't have numpad, switchable, and double-shot keycaps with transparent characters. Mechanical keyboards have different kinds of switches, and the behavior of mechanical switches can be divided into three categories: linear, tactile, and clicky. This keyboard has a blue switch, and this blue switch is clicky. Every time you press the key, you will feel a small bump with a loud click noise. The keyboard is also waterproof, but it's better not to try it. Even though it's plastic, I don't think it's easy to break unless intentional. I accidentally dropped this. It's still okay, but one of the key got some scratch. Specifications, controls, color mode. If you want to buy this mechanical keyboard, I will put the link below where you can buy it. I got this keyboard as a prize from the event of Vloggers Philippines Mindanao last month. Thank you Twixter TV and Chum Chum Gaming for sponsoring the event. And if you want to be a part of our growing community, you may visit our Facebook page, Vloggers Philippines Mindanao. And if you like this video, it will help if you hit the like button, and please do subscribe for more unboxing videos. If you have more questions and suggestions, just leave a comment down below. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time, and peace!